Imagine crafting a logo that not only captures the essence of your brand, but also engages your audience at first glance. Welcome back to Diamond Brands Academy. I'm your instructor and the Diamond Leader, Diamond Blue. Today, we're venturing into the transformative realm of AI-powered logo design. With AI, the path to creating an impactful logo is not just simplified, it's revolutionized. Let's dive into how AI tools are reshaping the way we think about logo design. Logo design has evolved from pen and paper sketches to sophisticated digital creations. Now, AI is pushing boundaries further, offering smart, efficient, and personalized design solutions. This shift is not just about speed. It's about leveraging AI's analytical power to craft logos that truly resonate. Let's look at some AI logo creation tools, starting with Looka, formerly known as Logo Joy. Looka utilizes AI to generate logos based on your style preferences and your brand's personality. Next, we have Tailor Brands. They offer a comprehensive branding solution with an AI-driven logo maker that adapts to your brand's aesthetic. Next, we have Canva's Logo Maker. Canva incorporates AI suggestions to streamline the design process, making professional logos accessible to all. Last but not least, we have Logo Maker. Logo Maker features an AI-assisted design workspace, enabling users to easily create logos with a professional touch. Some of the advantages of using AI for logo design would be starting with AI effortless customization. AI tools learn from your preferences to suggest designs that align with your brand's identity. Then we have diverse creativity. Having access to a vast array of design elements powered by AI's ability to combine and innovate ensures that your logo is unique. Then we have cost efficiency. This reduces design costs significantly, making professional logos accessible for businesses of all sizes. And then we have data-driven decisions. AI analyzes current trends and user engagement to recommend design elements that are more than likely to appeal to your target audience. Starting with a brief description of your brand, AI logo design tools will guide you through a series of preferences regarding colors, symbols, and typography. The AI then processes this information, offering a selection of logos that evolve with your feedback, leading to a final design that perfectly encapsulates your brand. As AI technology continues to advance, the potential for even more personalized and innovative logo designs grows. The future of logo design with AI promises not just efficiency, but a new level of creativity and brand alignment. Ready to revolutionize your brand's first impression with an AI-powered logo? Explore the world of AI logo creation tools like Looka, Tailor Brands, Canva, and Logo Maker today. Start your journey towards a logo that's not just seen, but remembered. Stay ahead in the dynamic world of branding and design. Subscribe for the latest trends, tools, and tips in AI-powered logo creation. Together, let's build brands that stand out and resonate. Your iconic logo, crafted by AI, is just a few clicks away.